Hi everyone, welcome to Foodie Pinoy. Today, we're going to cook pork spare rib sinigang. This is a popular Filipino dish characterized by its sour taste and lots of vegetables like taro, eggplant, long beans, radish, okra, and kangkong. But actually, you don't need to add all of these veggies. You can just choose whichever you like. Let's proceed with the cooking. We will need 1 kilo pork spare ribs, 1 cup taro sliced, 1 cup radish sliced, 1 cup eggplant sliced, 1 bunch of string beans, 1 bunch of kangkong, 2 large tomatoes, 6 cloves garlic, 3 pieces long green chili, salt, pepper, and 2 packs of 20 grams SAMPALOC mix. Boil the spare ribs in a large pot. Add around 1.5 liters of water. When the water is about to boil, skim the scums that formed in the surface. This step will give you a clearer broth. Reduce the heat and boil for 30 minutes. Once the pork is tender, add the tomatoes and garlic. Cover and boil for another 5 minutes. Taro takes time to soften, so we will add this first before putting the rest of the vegetables. Cook the taro for around 15 minutes. Then, add the radish and green chili and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add the string beans and eggplant. Continuous boiling reduces the water, so you can add some more if necessary. Cover and boil for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add the SAMPALOC mix, then season with salt and pepper. You can adjust the taste depending on your preferred saltiness. Lastly, add the kangkong. Cover and cook for another 30 seconds. Here's our version of pork spare rib sinigang. Serve with rice and fish sauce with calamansi and red chili as condiment, and you are on your way to a satisfying lunch. Enjoy! Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!